Good afternoon all. I continue my video lecture series based upon C programming. Now my topic is on looping statements. Looping can be defined as repeating the same process multiple times until the specific condition satisfied. Looping simplifies the complex programs into easy one. Enable us to alter the flow of program instead of writing the same code again and again. Looping can be defined as repeating the same process multiple times until the specific condition satisfies. Looping simplifies the complex programs into easy one. Enable us to alter the flow of program instead of writing the same code again and again. There are three looping: do while, for. Do while means it continues until a given condition satisfied. Do the curly bracket and then while of condition. Int main character we are going to give it as a password for validating the bank account. Password as a character, input we are going to given here. While we are giving an input password, it will be compared with an already given input. If the answer is correct, is it begin access granted, otherwise it will be written 0. Then while used in this scenario, we do not know the number of iterations in advance. Block of statements is executed in while loop until the condition specified in the while loop is satisfied, called as pre-tested loop. Block of statements is executed in while loop until the condition satisfied in the while loop is satisfied, called as pre-tested loop. Used in this scenario, we don't know how the number of iterations in advance. Block of statement is executed in while loop while the condition specified in while loop it satisfies is called pre-tested loop. Syntax for while loop is while condition. If the condition will be satisfied, it enter into the block of code. Int main, int I equal to 1, while I less than or equal to 10, we are going to print upon I values. For loop, we execute some part of code until the given condition is satisfied. For syntax for loop, for initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, increment and decrement operator. Example for loop, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. By using this for loop, we are going to print the I value by up to 10. Again, looping statements. Looping can be defined as repeating the same process multiple times until a specific condition is satisfied. Looping simplifies the complex program into easy one. Enable us to alter the flow of program instead of writing the same code again and again. Do while for. Do while means it continue until a given condition satisfies. Do curly bracket while conditions. While used in this scenario, we do not know the number of iterations in advance. Block of statement is executed in while loop until the condition specified in the while loop is satisfied, is called pre-tested loop. For loop means we execute some part of code until the given condition is satisfied. For of initialization, conditions, increment and decrement operators. This is the main function for do while. Do, enter the password. We are giving an input like Swati. It will be scanned as an read by the user, and then while a string compare of input comma password is not equal to 0. If it equal to 0 means access will be denied, access given, access granted. Otherwise it not equal to 0 means it is access denied. Then for loop is int main of int. We are going to write I values up to 10 times. Int I printf equal to the first 10 natural numbers. For if I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. If the I value is 1, 1 is less than or equal to 10, so it condition satisfied, so print the I values. After that I value will be a 2 less than or equal to 10. Up to 10 times it will be looped again and again. This is the for loop. Looping can be defined as repeating the same process multiple times until the specific condition satisfies. Looping simplifies the complex programs into easy one. Enable us to alter the flow of program instead of writing the same code and again and again.